Good evening, everyone. Jai Hind. Today, I am talking about the geopolitics, which is my favorite topic. About the other countries like Israel, Iran, Russia, Ukraine, uh, America, India, and our neighbors like Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Myanmar, and what is happening around us. So, first of all, I have to start with the Russia and Ukraine because the war between the Russia and Ukraine started since 2021 or 22. So, what is the reason behind the war between the Russia and Ukraine? Mainly, Ukraine wanted to join the NATO forces because uh, they fears about from the Russian because they annexed their territory. But Russia wanted that Ukraine should not join because the NATO forces if Ukraine is joined in the NATO forces, then NATO forces is in the Ukraine, so uh, it will harm the Russian territory because it is so close to the nearby borders. So these are the main regions, and the war extended till date because all the European countries support in this war, and also America support in this war with money and with weapons and many things during the Biden. But when Trump came in the power, the supplying of the ammunitions and the money have decreased day by day. But European country always supported. So the war uh, uh, increasing day by day, and that there is no mediation between Russia and Ukraine up till now. Trump tried many times, but he does not successful in this mediation. Trump always blame India that India purchase oil from the Russia, which helps in war. Because Russian have the sanction from the sanction on their oil from the European countries and the America. Currently, India facing 50% of the tariff from the America because our export mainly uh, are with the America, and we get more profit. So India is also searching for new customers, and India also wanted to import less because our prime minister working on the Swadeshi, and today that's all from the myself about the Russia and Ukraine war and the tariff regarding on the India. That's all. Thank you.